In a cozy little house, there lived a boy named Leo and his clever pet parrot, Matilda. One rainy afternoon, Leo sat at his desk, frustrated with his math homework.
Matilda, I just can't get this right. I'm going to fail for sure.
Matilda, perched on a pile of books on Leo's desk, tilted his head and squawked.
Keep trying. You can do it.
Leo chuckled at Matilda's encouragement. He decided to give the problems another go. Slowly but surely, the answers started to make sense.
Matilda, you're a genius. Thanks for believing in me.
With Matilda cheering him on, Leo completed his homework and realized that a little perseverance and a supportive friend could make all the difference.
We did it, Matilda. Teamwork really works.